Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Real Racing 3 modded version here. So we get unlimited gold and money, and we can also turn on anti-ban. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's super awesome. So let's get straight into the tutorial because there's no time to waste. Alright, so what we need to do is go over to tweakmod.com. This is a modded website, and we need to type in Real Racing, press on Real Racing 3, and it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, you may see something come up which says you got to download some missing files, which are like apps in the App Store, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's just wait for it to download here. As you can see, it's super simple, bro. No mad, it's very good. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it's going to come up and tell us that we need to download the missing files. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Alright, so here it comes, and basically we just download two of them. So there's like Merge Gardens, Travel Town, lots of different game related ones. So you only have to do two. I would do Travel Town because look how easy it is to just go to the store, download it, and reach level 10. But this is the one I did, but you can do any of them, I guess. So there's also like Merge Gardens, there's tons of them. So anyway, guys, once you do it, the Real Racing 3 mod will be on your device. You'll have unlimited money, and you can like have all these settings. There is anti-ban, of course, and ads are removed as well. So be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it because this is super cool, and it fully works for all devices. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, tell your friends about it. If they like Real Racing 3 as well, bro, this is so cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, bro. Just make sure you do two of the apps and you're going to be all set. So see you later and peace out.